Hello out there, this is my mostly silent flip through of my latest Earth Tones journal. I've left the tassel off and I haven't decided which beads that I've made that I want to put on here yet, so I'll just put those aside. These are some altar playing cards I've made using seed catalog pages. Lots of writing space in this. Each signature has at least a couple of playing cards and the use of some brads. I've kept this very simple. I'll talk about the dyed paper that I've used at the end. I have a video coming up about it, so I don't want to get into it here. Just some more writing space. I've purposefully left some space between the pages and the edge of the journal so that each of these pages is actually a pocket. And so I've put in a couple of journaling cards with fabric tabs just to show how wide these can be and how it can look with them full. I love that little image. It's just a little journaling card. This is a paper skin. I think you would have an easier time finding it by searching faux rice paper or DIY rice paper. This is actually a working tuck. I've left this open for journaling space, but this one I put a little surprise photo and another one of the playing cards. Look how beautiful those flowers are. There's a pocket inside this one. And this is some home dyed and embedded grass paper. I didn't think through the envelope here, so although it opens, I wouldn't call it workable. It would be difficult to get things in and out. So I added this band, and then I kept the envelope open on this side so that you could pull this journaling card out. There is a pocket behind this tag, so it sits in really snugly. And again, this is what it looks like to pull these out. And these are these journaling cards. I've done collage and then painted over them. And then this is home dyed paper on the back for writing. This one comes out here, and then I've tucked in this image behind, so this is a bit of a frame, and it goes back in there like that. I've not put any yarn or thread through here, but you certainly could. And then this is writing space with more of my dyed paper. These are also working pockets here with these cute little playing cards. Those are so cute. And then more of my altered ones. This is another writing pad. paper with more home dyed paper. This journaling card with this beautiful painting comes off, and then this is just tucked under this little flower stamp like this. So I've put some writing space that's sort of hidden in this part, and then this comes out again just with the design paper. And then these are little tags, or they can be written on the back. Here's a little mini journal for writing. And then another tag. This is a belly band, so this slides out. I've kept the tea bag original little tag on it, and this is tea bag in the back glued onto this paper before I've sewn it. And then on this belly band, this pretty image slides like this. And I've also made it so that it opens with some stamping so that it can also be written on. And this is a pocket in the back. Now I'll hold this up. This is all that remains of my scraps. So what I did was, I did the scraps for the back cover and also for the front cover. Let me try to zoom in for you on that. And I've mounted this on paper, but the actual cover itself is fabric, so it's loose. I actually make fabric tassels and yarn tassels for the birds, so I've purposefully left the edges raw on this whole journal just because I thought it was good with the bird theme, but I have left the bottom, I've closed that seam. And so the whole cover is fabric except for the front and the back cardboard, or chipboard, I guess you should say. It's cereal box. And then this is all that remained of my coffee scrap. And so since I didn't quite have enough, I used a different collage I made with border pieces from another page in a book. I love how it turned out. If you like it, let me know. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.